Okay, we're here with Sean Hiscock at the Nova Scotia Community College, and he's going to demonstrate how to install an oil yeller alarm onto a wide tray. In this case, we have a fiberglass tank, and Sean's basically going to show us how to install our standard battery alarm onto the side of the wide tray. So in this case, the first step is to install the bracket onto the side of or in the corner of the tray. And you'll see there's a channel on the tray lip, and that's where the bracket is installed. There's two screws essentially that need to be put into the channel flange on the tray, and that holds the bracket in place.
And they're included, aren't they?
Yeah, there's in the package you get your standard alarm, you'll get two hangers, a set of instructions, a float, and the alarm itself. So essentially, once you have your bracket installed, you're going to take the alarm out. You're going to choose the hanger, which is the correct size. So in the case of a wide tray, a large wide tray, you use a longer hanger. And the other hanger then you can just discard. It's for the smaller trays. So in this case, you set the hanger through the hole of the actuator on the alarm, and then set the float onto the bottom of the hanger. Once you have it in the float on the hanger, you set the alarm on the Velcro patch, and the float should hang just above the surface of the tray. And that's a perfect installation. We'll just get a close-up here of that, and so everyone can see. Now the next step is to install the battery. You just slide open the cover, and the 9-volt batteries are supplied with the alarm. So you just connect the battery onto the bracket, set the battery in its slot with the cover. Now is the time to check the alarm. So Sean's just going to demonstrate for us how to check it. Pretty straightforward. You just have to lift it. You'll hear it trip. Now if you hold that open, you're essentially in alarm at this time, and what tends to happen is every 10 seconds the alarm will beep for a second, and that's how the alarms are designed. They're designed to stay in an alarm for up to 2 weeks, and we can do this by pulsing the battery 1 second every 10 seconds. And that's certainly going to get anybody's attention in a home, because a pulsation of 1 second every 10 seconds is a total annoyance, and it'll certainly draw someone's attention that you have a possible leak of your oil system. There is a battery checking circuit in the alarm, so once the batteries do fall below a certain threshold, it will go in alarm. So if you come down and determine that your alarm is going off and there's no oil in the tray, then essentially your battery needs to be replaced. Thanks, Sean, for showing us how to do that, and that's the end of this video.